especially someone and Dre Nick.
I was sleepy and I had a bad bitch over, so I washed down some Viagra with a Red Bull.
Ooh, not the lemon pepper steppers. Let me see. Lemon pepper. The lemon pepper steppers.
Step. You just see brown shit just falling out there. They thought they were like pebbles or something.
After that. But I do put people on there who I feed and fuck. You're welcome. All right, y'all, we're here. Listen, this has been one hell of a damn trip, as in once we got to the hotel. The hotel wasn't shit, so I'm not showing y'all that shit. It basically catfished me. Luckily, we're gonna be here till tomorrow. Baby, this ain't it. This ain't it at all. It started thunderstorming here. This is not it. It's not it. I had to change my clothes because it's so wet. So good thing I brought some tennis shoes because my toes have been soaking wet. So we're here at the comedy show. Hopefully this goes well, but we're gonna see because all this rain came down. Baby, a whole storm. So we made it. So Andre got here safe and sound, so he's happy, excited with his dad. They going somewhere, I don't know, but he excited. So he's officially Orlando baby again, in his hometown where he's born and raised at. So yeah, and I especially someone and Dre Nick. Ladies and
gentlemen, we got a legend, we got a goat in the house, so talking right now, making it hell loud. God damn, I was trying to wake the bitch out and you kept playing it. Fuck. I hate that fucking song. That shit give me anxiety, nigga. I think every nigga over 40 hate that song. That shit's not made for real niggas, I'm sorry. There's too many beats in that bitch. I feel like I had a bad drug combination, man. Like somebody put Molly in my cocaine. And I was sleepy and I had a bad bitch over, so I washed down some Viagra with a Red Bull. That's kind of descriptive. I actually did all that one time. Nigga, me and my dick was up for 3 days.
It's pretty. LBGQ. Gay pride.
Elemental P.
Not elemental P.
You already PUG.
Oh my goodness. So we gotta walk, y'all. We're gonna get lost on international.
Motherfucker feet hurt.
Is he tired like a mother? Them dogs is barking. Oh, they barking.
I need to put these bitches in some Epsom salt. I gotta dip these bitches in Epsom salt.
Oh, Lordy. So let's get lost. Buffalo Wild Wing this way? Shake Shack. Oh, it's right here across the street right there.
Yeah, got these lemon pepper steppers.
Ooh, not the lemon pepper steppers. Let me see. Lemon pepper.
Steppers.
The lemon pepper steppers.
Step.
The lemon pepper steppers. That's how you step, but lemon peppers. Not a bow leg. Maybe you bow leg.
They know the way I walk.
Listen, that's that sporty walk. Ooh, whoa. Let me see. That's why you pull your pants up.
I won't get my shirt dirty.
You ain't got them all at all. Yeah, we gonna walk.
Burger and beer.
We got some everything. We just know we about to get lost tonight.
6 people in there.
6 people. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Woo.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. I can't be following you. You gonna have us right here getting killed. I'll show y'all the thing. Look. They about to drop. Okay, this is it go. How you walking across the street, man? Oh my goodness, trying to get to some Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a big old stick. That means we probably walk across there. Yeah, damn. Cut across the traffic, y'all. Okay, now we gotta wait for real, for real. You know the eye, the little slings out there. Then they spin it down there. Oh no, that's a good question. Maybe we gotta go on the other backside. Who need this many wings?
I ran away from heartbreak.
This is the garlic, spicy garlic, and those are the living.
Got nothing in return from my pain.
Which one the high house?
These
I
is the
never
hot
thought I'd be so empty,
buffalo.
so
And those are the
lonely
garlic.
and afraid.
Spicy garlic. Oh, look at that ball.
Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been.
I take care of you and me, baby.
Guess I thought I needed.
Yep. Well, I think you can go over the slingshot, yeah. Oh, them are crazy. Let me go all the way back so y'all can see them when they go up. Ooh. Oh my God. They go down. They finna shoot them up. They ain't gonna even see it coming. Oh, hell no. That's too far. Oh, fuck no.
Crazy motherfucker.
Oh my God, they flip it upside down and every damn thing. Oh, bro, I just thought that was about to hit us. Like, serious talk. Oh, hell no. You somebody else do it.
Ain't no
Nope.
way in hell.
No, sir.
Like they pull them down and hold them.
And they don't even know when it's gonna happen.
Hey, look.
They still just dang up in the damn air. Flashing this shit. Y'all want to try this
If I was
out?
there, you would just see brown shit just fall out there. You
better shoot at
they
yourself.
thought they were like pebbles or something falling. They see like this brown stuff falling. Water.
You ain't got all the sense God gave you. You ain't got the sense God gave you. You ain't got the sense God gave you. Every time you better shit in there with that brown shit then falling. Pastry.
Gotta get up there,
Water.
Get your umbrellas. Shit there with Bible movement.
Oh no, sir. Alright, y'all. So we at our house. I don't know what the hell this got, but I got some pancakes. Thank you. Steak. I need to get some ketchup. I need some ketchup on the eggs here. And the orange juice. Y'all, listen. When I tell you this man be scared of my driving, he thought you don't see that. Man, let me drive. This is Orlando. You got to drive like Orlando folks for the ordinary to get out here in this traffic. If not, you're going to constantly be waiting. Because nobody finna just let you in. But anyways, y'all. So we finna fill up and get back on this road, head on back. Happy Father's Day to the kings out there. We love you, kings. We love y'all. We love y'all. We love y'all. Continue doing what you're doing no matter what the situation is. Baby, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep going. But yeah, so we about to get on the road. So Andre, I ain't haven't heard from Andre this morning. He done got his little mother for to get his Legos that he kept bothering me about last night. So I'm sent that to his dad. So he fine right now. I haven't heard from Jamie or Willie. They don't be caring about me. They don't be caring. Jamie ain't text or called me since I left. Child, this what the empty nester feel like. But we had a lovely time last night. More of that quality time that your relationship need. Like it was needed. And now we done made a pact that it's something that we would do every month or every 3 months or something like that. Because he really enjoyed himself up here in Orlando. So that's something we really gonna be doing often. But yeah, we had a good time. We had a good time. We drunk till we can't drink no more. Long Islands, baby, they get you right. And we had a Long Island from everywhere we went, because I think after we left from the comedy show, we went back to the hotel because the hotel was like up the road from the comedy show. So we went back home, got comfortable, and came back out. That's when we went to Buffalo Wings. Child, we got more wings than we needed to have. Those was real good, but we got Long Island from there. Had Long Island at the comedy show. We had wine. The show was pretty good. I really did enjoy the comedy show. Both of them was funny. Both on the open act guy, DC and Marlon, they both was funny. Both were funny. Marlon went into more of a story about his daughter transition over to the his son transition, correction. His son transitioning over. But yeah. So happy Pride Month. Happy Pride Month. But it was a good night. It was a good night. We enjoyed ourselves. Like I said, we stayed out till about 1 something in the morning, whatever the case may be. After that, let me stop. But yeah. So we're gonna get back on this road, head on back home, go to the next hotel. And I'll see you guys once we get there. Cause baby, we living our best life. So y'all obviously getting the video very late. Maybe get the video Monday. I don't know. But I do apologize. Okay. All right. Oh, baby, hurry up, cause it's hot as hell in this truck. Jeez. All right, y'all, home sweet home, as in Palm Beach County. Baby, I'm so happy to see it. So we done made it to the hotel here, and this one is home to sweet home or something like that. So we here at this one. Check-in ain't till 4, but he going to see us. Can we do early check-in? If not, we just got to go find something to do. So somebody is tired though. At this point, I was saying let's go to the movies a little bit later, but baby, I feel I might just go get me some seafood and just go lay it down in this bed. Cause Orlando, with all that walking we did yesterday, baby, I'm over it. It was too much going on yesterday. But yeah, so we done made it to Palm Beach, y'all. All right, y'all, quick tour. So this is the bathroom. That's how I look. I like this mirror. Excuse my shorts. Then we have this kitchen going on up in here. Then you walk into the room. So you have like the sitting area, living room area here. Then you got the bedroom over there, which as you all see, the TV can go from there to over here. And they call themselves having this little divider, baby. Oh. But yeah, cute. Ooh. But yeah. Oh, whoa. Good. Girl, let me stop. But this beer gonna get me some trouble. But yeah, so we're here. Baby, time to relax some. So they down there grilling.
The Chinese triads now have
Not bad.
over 100 countries. These are not street kids.
I got out of a Father's Day.
These are businessmen.
Sir, your woman supposed to be grilling, not you. It's your day. Y'all didn't think that we weren't gonna go nowhere and not get no crabs, is it? So we took this crab place because he wanted me to try this out. So we're gonna see what this all about. So we're gonna try it out. Hopefully they good. If not, I'm still gonna have to eat it for the price that he paid for it. But I'm tired. We was gonna go to the movies, baby. I ain't got no ounce or energy in me. He was like, "You want to sit down here and eat?" I was like, "No, let's go back to that hotel room." Cause listen, I'm tired. I don't have no energy, and I got to get up, go to work in the morning. So, you know, because I'm driving from here to work, as well as he leaving from here going to work. So, but we're gonna see how this tastes, and it's gonna pretty much be it. Once again, I apologize, Queens King, for this late video, because I'm trying to edit as I go, but I keep scratched it and stuff like that. So sorry for the video, just pretty much jumping around and things like that, because pretty much just having fun living. So making these memories and stuff, joking, laughing, talking. You know what couples do. Oh, but yeah, when him and Dre met, it was kind of awkward because if you guys don't know, I am still legally married to Dre, but we're not together. We're separated. We're not getting back together. So I done filed for divorce and everything. Just don't understand why it taking Orlando so long to actually grant me this divorce, because he done signed off on everything and all that. So I don't know what's taking so long. So I need to figure out exactly. But yeah, it was awkward of basically saying Dre meet such and such, meet Dre. You know, they shook hands and everything. You know, when we got ready to drop, it happened when we dropped Andre out. So it was, you know, it was cool. It was cool. It wasn't no like animosity type vibe and then like that. Hey, what's up? You know, that. You know, but they met. So, but yeah. So now I'm waiting for him to get the seafood, and we're going back to that damn hotel room, and baby, we're going to eat, take a bath, and go to another place. So I'll see y'all when we get back. Because I want to show y'all, see how this looks and stuff, because I never ate this, and he just kept talking about it. So crusty crabs, something to seafood here in Boynton. So we'll see. I knew it was going to be kind of expensive just from the look of the place, because everything looks so modern over here. So I already knew it was going to be kind of expensive. It is what it is. He'll talk about, you really do have a expensive taste, Val. Oh, what you talking about? I have no idea what you talking about, sir. No idea. All right. So we got some seafood. Oh, it come with a whole lot of shit in here. Oh, it come with 2 clusters in here. That's why it was higher, because it come with 2 clusters in here. I'm saying the crabs. You know, usually they give you 1, but that's why it was higher, because it got 2 clusters. That's the reason why. It pretty much doubled everything. Like what it is. We're gonna see how this tastes. It tastes like a regular seafood boiled at the house. That's what it tastes like. Like you cook your own regular seafood boiled at the house, like. Kind of got like a little sweet taste mixed in it. We're gonna see. They ain't gonna be able to see you. They ain't gonna be able to see you. I don't put people on my vlog who don't want to be on my vlog. But I do put people on there who I feed and fuck. You're welcome. It's not bad, but it does have like a smooth taste of it going down or something. It's something. It got a little sweetness in this though.
It's CT now, Andrew.
My apologies.
Actually,
What's that? Shrimp? You like to feed me, y'all. You want to feed me again, baby? All right, y'all. I'm about to go. I'm cut this vlog off here. So I'll talk to y'all later in the next one. So I'm gonna say happy Monday. That's the day that y'all gonna be getting this vlog.
That's what I was thinking.
So
especially
like, comment, share, and subscribe.
She's really shaking up.
You wanna say something to the people? You know you shy. You very shy. I gotta break them in.
I have no problem to bring you girls as my guest.
That would be amazing.
He don't wanna say nothing, y'all.
Thank you.
Anyways, that's all right, Queen's Kings. He don't want to say nothing just yet.
Eventually he'll ease right on in there. He said, hi, everybody, y'all. All right, remember to stay right. And remember, your crown may tip, but a damn show won't fall.